Hello, got some cardboard at home? It might be just the right time to get creative with it. Check out these cardboard crafts that are extra fun to make and won't cost you a ton of dollars. So, there are many crazy cardboard craft ideas to create. There are so many amazing craft projects that you can explore involving cardboard. It is one of the most versatile of craft supplies, right up there with mason jars and hot glue guns. You can use cardboard boxes, sheets, and cutouts to make a veritable slew of DIY projects, home decor items, as well as storage devices to help you organize your home. Bonus: what better way to make a dent in your ever growing pile of cardboard boxes than by upcycling? Let's take a look at these amazing and innovative cardboard craft projects for you to try. So, some examples are DIY dryer dividers. I have every single one of us are united by one common bad habit: dumping things in dryers only to have to paw through them later and to find what we need. We have all been there, but we don't have to stay there. What you need are dryer dividers to help you segregate the space in your dryers. This way, you can allocate space for different categories of things, and all you need to do that is a few sheets of cardboards. And this isn't just another idea. Postman Pat Van, you remember that old cartoon jingle? Postman Pat and his black and white cat. It might be an old favorite, but with a few cardboard boxes, a hot glue gun, and some craft essentials, you can bring that trusty red truck to life. DIY rope basket, you can create also a fish tank, dollhouse, DIY table centerpiece, Valentine's Day hang tag, and many more these type of projects. I hope you will got some ideas from this video. For more amazing concepts and ideas, please keep watching the videos on this channel. Thanks.